The 7 formal elements of photography. Number 1. Color. Color, or lack of it in black and white images, is the first thing that a lot of people see when they look at a photograph. It is important to consider what colors you will use to grab the attention of your audience. Number 2. Form. Form is most important when you require depth in your image, as this is the element that takes a two-dimensional image and gives it life, mainly through the changing of lighting and angles. Number 3. Line. Line is another way of drawing your audience's attention to a specific area in a photograph. A good example of using line would be using the natural horizon to draw attention to a subject or area of the image. Number 4. Texture. Texture refers to how the objects in the image appear and how the audience's brain will react to these objects. An example would be a dog or a cat. The audience knows that the animal's fur is soft, so the image appears as though it should be soft. Number 5. Shape. Shape is possibly the easiest of the elements to understand, as any object that has a definite structure will create a shape in your image. These objects could be used as frames for a subject, or just be present to add depth or character. Number 6. Tone. Tone, more easily defined as contrast, is using different levels of highlights and shadows to create depth and dimensions within an image. Tone is especially important in black and white images, as they lack color, and the subject could get lost in the background. Number 7. Space. Space is usually used to isolate a subject. In its simplest form, space refers to the how many empty or blank areas there are within an image. But it can also refer to the lack of blank area. Space is important to give the image a foreground and a background, creating depth.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell